Uh, there has been a blast inside a mosque in Handwara. 3 individuals have sustained injuries in the explosion, and the injured have been shifted to the GMC Handwara for medical treatment. So what kind of blast it was, the details are sketchy, but what we do know that during the construction of a mosque in Handwara, this blast occurred. 3 individuals have sustained injuries. They have been rushed to the hospital in Handwara for medical treatment. What kind of blast it was and the details of the construction that was going on at the mosque's site is unclear at the moment. What we do know that there has been a blast inside the mosque. All right, big story coming in from Handwara. There has been a blast inside a mosque, and this happened during the construction of a mosque there. But 3 people have been injured in this blast. Further details are awaited right now. But what we do know is that construction work was ongoing when this incident happened, and this blast triggered panic among the nearby residents and workers. And authorities have also launched an investigation to determine the cause of the explosion. All right, Zeenat, our colleague, is now joining us on the phone line for more details. Zeenat, what details you can provide us? What kind of blast it was? We understand that 3 people have been rushed to the hospital. What more details you can provide us?
See, the construction work was going on when this incident happened, and it was more like a blast, mysterious blast that occurred just during the construction of a mosque in Handwara. The construction of the mosque is going on in Handwara, where this explosion has taken place, and in this explosion, some 3 people, the individuals, have sustained the injuries in the explosion, and also they have been shifted to GMC Handwara for the medical treatment. Although the authorities here have launched an investigation to determine the cause of the explosion, but we are not picking more further details whether this was a terror-related incident or it is just the incident, the blast that has taken place that has resulted into the injuries of the 3 individuals, though have been shifted to medical hospital for the treatment, and the investigations are further going on.
All right. Thank you so much, Zeenat, for those details there. And viewers, we need to move on. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has reached